Hey guys, I'm Kate. Thank you for tuning into my channel, Hey Kate Red. Today I'm going to show you how to use some of your favorite wedding items to create a shadow box. So let's get started. So for your shadow box, you're really not going to need that many materials. You're of course going to need your shadow box. I ended up going with a 16 by 20 inch size from Michaels with a gray kind of rustic frame. I think this goes well with our decor. To attach my items, I'm going to be using these little push pins that have a little pearl detail with them. I got these at Michael's. They're actually just little corsage pins, but they work just the same. I also have my hot glue gun, and then of course the different items that I want to include in my shadow box. So what I've done to go ahead and get started here is laid out my items on the table in a way that I think works best for the shadow box, and this is going to serve as my blueprint for where each piece will go. As you can see, I removed the backboard from the shadow box frame, and I have my blueprint to my left. I've laid out my different invitations, photos, and items so that I can easily place them on the shadow box board. To add warmth and help the items feel connected, I'm overlapping some of the different pieces. Now that I have all of my items placed exactly where I want them, I'm going to start securing them to the board using push pins and a hot glue gun. Placing the push pins on the edges or corners of items ensures they won't distract from the beauty of your invitations or photos. The pearl push pins add such a delicate detail to this project, but I found they were a little difficult to use on some of the thicker cardstock. For the places where the push pins were too difficult to use, I simply used my hot glue gun instead. The last items that I attached to the board were small keepsakes, like our champagne bottle cork and a couple of dried flowers. Once all of my items were secured to the board, I put the shadow box frame back on. Our wedding day was the best day of my life, and this shadow box is the perfect reminder of such a special time in our lives. I hope this video inspires you to create your own wedding shadow box. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and affordable DIY tutorials.